Hey everyone, it's me, it's Chris the Jade Lady. I was asked if I would take a video for a customer so the customer could see these two bangles side by side. As you can see, they're both cylindrical. This one's just a light green, cylindrical, really very pretty, great price, simple. And then there's the other one that has definitely more color, has a slight translucency to it, really pretty. They go nicely together. Look how pretty they are. Let's flip this one over so you can see the other side. Sorry. There you go. Definitely one's thicker, similar inside diameters, but one definitely has more color. They're great for stacking, and this light green one is perfect to wear as a contrast with other colors. And they jingle beautifully. Let me know if anybody has any questions. Get your jade on, everybody. Get jaded with Mason K, of course.